To bear trials with a calm mind robs misfortune of its strength and burden. The true man is revealed in difficult times. So when trouble comes, think of yourself as a wrestler whom God, like a trainer, has paired you with a tough young buck. For what purpose? To turn you into Olympic-class material. To be like the rock that the waves keep crashing over. It stands unmoved, and the raging of the sea falls still around it. What would have become of Hercules, do you think, if there had been no lion, hydra, stag, or boar, and no savage criminals to rid the world of? What would he have done in the absence of such challenges? Obviously, he would have just rolled over in bed and gone back to sleep. So by snoring his life away in luxury and comfort, he never would have developed into the mighty Hercules. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. In the meantime, cling tooth and nail to the following rule: not to give in to adversity, not to trust prosperity, and always take full note of fortune's habit of behaving just as she pleases. Whatever you have been expecting for some time comes as less of a shock. Just as nature takes every obstacle, every impediment, and works around it, turns it to its purpose, incorporates it into itself, so too a rational being can turn each setback into raw material and use it to achieve its goal. Misfortune is virtue's opportunity. No man is more unhappy than he who never faces adversity, for he is not permitted to prove himself. People are not disturbed by things, but by the views they take of them. If you are pained by any external thing, it is not this thing that disturbs you, but your own judgment about it, and it is in your power to wipe out this judgment now. I judge you unfortunate because you have never lived through misfortune. You have passed through life without an opponent. No one can ever know what you are capable of, not even you. For we are naturally disposed to admire, more than anything else, the man who shows fortitude in adversity. Fire is the test of gold, adversity of strong men. Every difficulty in life presents us with an opportunity to turn inward and to invoke our own inner resources. The trials we endure can and should introduce us to our strengths. Prudent people look beyond the incident itself and seek to form the habit of putting it to good use. On the occasion of an accidental event, don't just react in a haphazard fashion. Remember to turn inward and ask what resources you have for dealing with it. Dig deeply. You possess strengths you might not realize you have. Find the right one. Use it. Ask, why is this so unbearable? Why can't I endure it? You'll be embarrassed by the answer. Constant misfortune brings this one blessing. To whom it always assails, it eventually fortifies. Don't hope that events will turn out the way you want. Welcome events in whichever way they happen. This is the path to peace. Even if some obstacle comes on the scene, its appearance is only to be compared to that of clouds which drift in front of the sun without ever defeating its light. A blazing fire makes flame and brightness out of everything that is thrown into it.